'Cause baby, every time I love you, sing it, I'm alive. In now, baby, tell me if you really love me. 'Cause in it, I'm alive. In now, baby, 'cause baby, I've never felt so good. Hello sa inyo mga tolls, welcome sa aking channel, and ngayon ang tuturo ko sa inyo Love Never Felt So Good by Michael Jackson. Nasa standard tuning tayo. Let's start! So, first part of the song is the intro. Ang ginamit kong chord, G minor 7. Next chord is D9. Next is E9. Just move 2 frets para maging D9. And then last chord, F9. So that's it. Next part of the song is the verse. So ginamit kong chord, G minor 7. Next is B flat over C. And my alternate chord is C9. So it's either B flat over C or C9 chord. Next is F major 7. F major 7 in the 8th fret, bar chord in the 8th fret. So meron namang chord chart, you can follow that chord. Next is F sharp diminished 7. So yung alternate chord ko na F major 7, this one. So nasa chord chart, and then so para makak-switch kayo sa F sharp diminished 7, you can use this, another F sharp diminished 7 chord. Next chord is D7. Next is balik ulit, G minor 7. Next, balik ulit, B flat over C or the C9 chord. Baby, love never felt so good, and I take it up for good. Nothing like you hold me, oh baby. Love never felt so fine, and I take it up for mine. Not like you hold me, hold me. So next part is the pre-chorus. Ang chord na ginamit ko is A minor 7 flat 5. So if you don't know that chord, nasa chord chart naman, you can follow also this video, this kind of chord. Mute yung 5 string. Next chord is D7. You know that already. Next is if 4 chord na passing. So the B flat major 7, next is A minor 7, next chord is G minor 7, last chord is the B flat over C. So this one hindi na siya alternate chord ng C9, just B flat over C. let's try to play that song. And tonight gonna be just fine. Gotta fly, gotta see, can't believe I can take it. So next part of the song is the chorus. So yung chord na ginamit ko is G minor 7. You know that already. Next is B flat over C or C9 chord. Next is F major 7 to D7. So yung chord yung apat na chord is dalawang balik, and then balik ulit sa G minor 7, and then passing chord B flat major 7, A minor 7, G minor 7, B flat over C, then last chord is F major 7. Wala nang intro but isasali ko siya sa chorus after the F major 7 para siyang magbalik sa intro. Yung G minor 7, D9, D9, F9. Okay. And tonight gotta be just fine. Gotta fly, gotta see, can't believe I can take it. 'Cause baby, every time I love you, in it I'm alive. In out, baby, tell me if you really love me. 'Cause in it I'm alive. In out, baby, so baby, love never felt so good. So after the chorus, balik ulit sa verse, pre-chorus, and then chorus again. So after the second chorus, so proceed tayo sa ad-lib part. Yung ad-lib part, same lang ng verse chord. Okay? And then after the ad-lib, balik sa pre-chorus. And then next is chorus na naman, but there's a change key after sa yung bagsakan na love never felt so good. Mag-change key siya ng intro to G sharp minor 7, E flat 9, F9, and then F sharp 9. So kanina yung sa chorus, yung last part, G minor 7. So lipat mo lang siya ng half step, isang fret para maging G sharp minor 7. Okay? And then after nung change key papuntang F sharp 9, balik sa original na chord na tune, G minor 7, D9, E9, at saka F9. So let's try to play that song. Baby, every time I love you, 'cause in it I'm alive. In out, baby, so tell me if you really love me. 'Cause in it I'm alive. In out, baby, so baby, love never felt so good. Baby, yeah. So yun. After nun, balik sa chorus again. So wala nang change key. So kung ano yung tuning ng chorus natin, yun lang, wala nang change key. And then yung outro part natin until mag-fade is ito lang, G minor 7, B flat over C, and then F major 7. So apat na balik. So yung ending niya is love never felt so good, so good, so good, so good. So yun lang mga tolls. Hope may natutunan kayo sa aking tutorial, and just don't forget to click like and subscribe and follow my Facebook page. Nasa link yung description. And then, if you have some requested songs, you can comment down below. Yun lang. God bless.